So how do I approach composition and lighting for my macro photography? Pretty much the same way I approach it for the rest of my photography. But with macro in particular, I'm probably going to spend a little bit more time looking for some unusual angles for my subject, especially since they tend to be very detailed. I'm getting in really, really close, and so we're looking at small details. Lighting, I will use artificial lighting pretty frequently, actually, with my macro photography, which is something that I don't normally do with my, just regular landscape photography. So I'll light flowers from up above, off to the side. A real simple little flashlight is really all you need for that type of thing. I love backlighting on macro subjects. It really just brings them to life. It does incredible things. So definitely consider some unusual angles for macro subjects, especially flowers, and don't be afraid to use a little bit of artificial light.